Need to log out of your BingX account? Signing out in 2026 only takes a few seconds and is a good habit, especially when using a shared or public device. Open the BingX official website or launch the BingX app on your phone. Next, tap your profile icon in the top corner of the screen to open your account menu. Scroll down until you find the log out or sign out option. Tap it and confirm your decision if BingX asks for verification. Once completed, you'll be returned to the login screen and your account session will be closed on that device. If you're using a shared computer or phone, logging out helps protect your account from unauthorized access. For additional security, you can also review your active login sessions in the security settings section and remove devices you no longer use. And that's how you sign out of your BingX account in 2026. Staying logged out on a shared device is a simple way to improve your account security. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more BingX tutorials and crypto guides.